Hello everyone, welcome to today's activity worksheet. I have made this very simple and very colorful activity book for my daughter. Let's see how I have made this. This is a normal drawing book and I have divided the page into 12 boxes, and in each box I will be making an object and then I will write letters adjacent to it, and we have to select the first letter of the object in the box. So I'm first writing all the letters in the box. Now I'm going to make different objects. First one I have made is an apple. A for apple, so I will circle A in this box. Similarly, I am making different objects. Now this is B for bat and B for ball, so we'll be putting circle on B. Now this is D for duck, so we will circle D, and so on. Now you can also draw in each box and color with sketch pen or crayon, but I am not doing that since coloring will affect the pages adjacent to this page. The color may get smeared or transferred on the other pages and spoil the activity on the next page. So I am using chart paper to make different paintings and I am sticking it on each box, and this will also make sure that this paper is not spoiled very easily, and you can use it many times. So just giving the final touches, drawing the sun rays and the branches for the grapes. So here I have 12 objects and we have to identify the letters of the objects. So let's start. A for apple, D for duck, so it's D. G for grass, so it's G. K for kite, so we'll circle K.
This is K. Now what is this one? What is this? Mango. Mango starts with which letter?
M.
So you will circle M. Okay, what is this?
A. Apple.
Apple. Show me A. So we'll circle the A.
Yeah.
What is this?
Duck.
Where is the duck starts with which letter?
D.
D. What is this?
Grass.
Grass starts with G for
Grass.
grass. What is this? Sun. Sun starts with,
S.
show me S. This is S. S for sun.
Yes.
What is this?
Umbrella.
Umbrella starts with
U.
U. U for umbrella.
Yes.
What is this?
Carrot.
Carrot.
Carrot starts with
Carrot starts with?
R.
No. Carrot starts with C. C for?
Carrot.
Where is C? Touch and show. Here, where is C?
This.
That is C. In this box, where is C? Yes, C for
Carrot.
carrot. What is this?
Ball.
What is this?
Bat.
Bat and ball. Starts with which letter?
Ball. B.
B. Where is B? Here, where is B? Good job. What is this?
We bought this.
Yes, ball and bat both are B. What is this?
Wait.
Grapes.
It starts with G.
Grape starts with G. Okay, G is there. Here also show me G. Yes. What is this?
Ice cream.
I for?
Ice cream.
Where is I? This one?
Yes.
Good job.
Yes, we have cherry on it now.
Yes, there is a cherry on the ice cream. Thank you for playing with me. You like this?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sharing a few more activities from our activity book. This is our activity book. I've got a simple drawing book, and every week we do one or two activities. We start with the basic colors, shapes, fruits, etc., and then we moved on to this art and craft activities. We made different art and craft worksheets, and then counting and number worksheets, shapes worksheets. This is also a counting worksheet, and this is a fruit basket with different fruits. and we'll count and place the fruits in the basket. And similarly, I have made many worksheets in the book. This is a tracing worksheet where we are tracing different patterns and trying to write letters and numbers. And the next one is just a coloring activity where I drew 5 little ducks. And then this one is again a math activity where we are counting different objects and writing the numbers. This is a puzzle activity, and this is also a puzzle activity. And the next page is the one which we did today. So please do look at these activities in my channel. I'm sure you'll find it useful. Please like, share and subscribe.